Guys, welcome back. This is Ajaxx here with the unboxing of the NES Classic. So, apparently there are a few differences between the 2018 edition, because that's what everyone's calling it now, and the 2016 edition. So, on this day, it was announced that the NES Classic was actually going to be released, because I've seen it on my Facebook, you know, the memory craps. So yeah, that was dope. So the only difference is this was over here and this ESRB rating was not here, because I don't know why. I don't know why it's 10 plus. I mean, no one really cared back in the days about the rating of the games, I guess. So these are the 30 games that come with the console. I'm pretty excited about it, you know? I'm pretty excited about it. The box is really small, so I haven't opened it yet. So honestly, I don't know how small it really is. I know Chris X3 posted a video about it, and she has some small hands. So yeah, it looked tiny. I'm excited about this right here. This is what I'm excited about. This right here. But no, I don't really have a favorite NES game. Like, I really don't. The Genesis was my drug of choice because of Mortal Kombat, of course, and Vector Man, and Jungle Book, and Lion King, and Moonwalker. Like, the Genesis, but they have made so many, like, little Genesis systems, like the fake ones, so, you know, you can't really be like, oh, I need a Genesis Classic, because, yeah. But, alright, let's get this opened. Alright, so this is the box. Get that out of here. Is this a manual or a poster, or a manual poster? Alright, let's see. Oh my gosh. Alright, no one cares about the back. Like, the back tells you instructions. But it's like, oh my god, it's the poster. Like, it's the poster. Oh, that is dope. That is, are you guys seeing this? Are you guys seeing this? Oh man, this is dope. You know what, Nintendo? I give you that. I give you that. I am going to definitely put this in my gaming area. If you guys haven't seen my gaming area, I got to do a new video about it. But I have added some shelving. This is some exclusive to the gaming area. Sorry. Let's get back to the unboxing. We definitely had a quick commercial break. Now back to regular scheduled programming of the unboxing of the Nintendo Classic Edition. Alright, let's see what else we got. What is this? This is not the system. Is this the system? Oh my god. This is like the size of, like, my phone is longer than this thing. Alright, sorry. So you got the power button, the reset button. Oh, the power button stays in, like on the original NES. You got your two buttons, your two outputs, input, output. Oh, this doesn't, oh, it would have been cute if you can, like, open it and it had, like, a NES game in it or something. Come on, Nintendo. Alright. So that's your HDMI port, that's your power adapter port, and it says HDMI like we don't know what our ports. I don't know why that, I don't know. Alright, so I'm not going to just toss this to the side, but wow. Alright, what else is in here? We got our controller. This is our control. This thing looks really short. Like, I feel like my Nintendo 64 controller is longer than this. Oh, I'm loving the feel of this. I feel like the Nintendo controller was a little bit bigger than this. I'm almost certain it was a little bit bigger than this, because I have the original Nintendo somewhere in storage. I'm almost certain the controller was bigger than this. But you know what? Here you go. For those of you who never had a NES. What else is in here? Let's see what else is in here. What else? Oh, your AC adapter. Everyone else calls it the power brick, like myself. No one really gives a shit about the name. Here's your HDMI wire. I have 1,000 of these, so I'm probably going to just use my Xbox one and just save that for later. And here is the actual wire for the NES Classic. So, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to boot this up and show you how it looks when it starts. Alright, so this is it booting up. You can choose the language that you want to play in. These are the languages that they have. Obviously, I'm going to keep it in English because I know English. Alright, so these are the games that it comes with. I'm just going to run through them pretty quickly just so you can see what they look like. Yeah. Oh, they have Excite Bike. I didn't even realize they had that. I didn't. Yo, look at Kirby. Look at what's going on here. Kirby is just like, hold on, wait a second. Now that we're done looking at Kirby's inappropriateness, let's keep going. Oh, they got Pac-Man, Namco, and let's see, and we're back around to the start almost. Yeah, Zelda ends it off, and yeah. Oh, something else that I noticed. When you leave your controller on idle, this little I guess idle screen comes up, like screensaver, I guess. It's really cute. It like Mario and Luigi go back and forth. It's a cute little animation. I like that Nintendo added this to the NES Classic. It's pretty cute. Yeah, so this is just a quick run through of how it looks when you boot up and the idle screen. Thank you guys for watching. This is Ajaxx G here. As you guys know, I always have an unboxing of something new. I promised I was going to unbox my new keyboard, so I'm going to show you guys that video either tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. If there's anything else you guys want to see, please leave a comment down below. Again, like and subscribe. Thank you to my